In this video, we will see how to create an ingredient. To create an ingredient, the first thing we have to do is to click on Sourcing and then click on New Ingredient. The Properties window will open, and from here we can create the name of the ingredient, confirm if it's fair trade or not, confirm if it's organic or not, and we have to choose the category of this ingredient. In this case, for example, we will use coffee beans. We can also filter by ingredient name for a quicker search. As you see, several options will be displayed. Once we have informed everything, we can click on Save. The next step will be to create the supply chain for this ingredient. We will do this by clicking on Supply and then Create Supply Chain. The first thing we are asked to do is to inform our direct supplier. We can search for it either by name or by flow ID. We will search if our supplier is in the list, and once found, we will select it and click Next. If we cannot find our supplier, please contact your fair trade organization. Then we will select what role the supplier is playing in our supply chain. For example, in this case, we will say that this is our producer. We will click on Save, and the supply chain will be automatically created. We will click on Save again. At this step, the supply chain should be approved. If your supply chain shows as in review or declined, like in the image, please contact your fair trade organization. If we need to add more operators to this supply chain, we can always click on Edit and we can create or delete operators. Once we have our supply chain created, we will be able to use this ingredient for a product. In case we need to create a new supply chain for this ingredient, we can do it by clicking here. Finally, in section number 4 on the top right, we can see the products with which this ingredient has been associated.